guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Knowledge Hub in Analytics or Learn Analytics with Mohit. Today I am back with another SQL LeetCode problems. Today we are going to solve easy level of difficulties SQL problems such as actors and directors who cooperated at least 3 times, product sales analysis 1, and last we are going to solve project employees 1. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it. आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए and because in future I'm going to post in future मैं ऐसे भी और SQL LeetCode problems पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ डेटा लेमू से भी स्टैटिस्टिक्स से भी और different interview questions SQL problems asked in different companies. So we'll start with actors and directors problem. Let us see what is the problem. Here we have actor director table which actor ID, director ID and timestamp. Return a solution to find all the pairs that the actor is cooperative with the director at least 3 times. That means here we can take a hint that we have to use count star, and having count star it's greater than or equal to 3. Director ID. So actor ID is 1, director ID 1, it occurs 3 times. Whereas actor ID 1 and 2, director ID 2 occurs 2 times, actor ID 2 and director ID 1 occurs 2 times. So we can write select actor ID, comma, director ID from actor director table. Group by 1, 2 having count star greater than or equals to 3. Let us see what is the problem, what is the output we get. It's correct, accepted. Now we are going to submit this. So we have successfully solved this. See, it is asking me, what is asking me in the question, at least 3 times. So we are saying that's why we are using count star greater than or equals to 3. Now next question is product sales analysis 1. Here we have a sales table with sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, price, and product table with product ID and product name. Let us report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Product name, year, and price. Okay. So we don't have product name in the, so we need to join these two tables. So we can write select p dot select product name, comma, year, comma, price from product as p join sales as s on p dot product ID equals to s dot product ID. Let us run this query. So it is accepted. Let us submit this. So we have successfully solved this problem as well. Now the last problem that we have is project employees 1. Let us see what is this problem. We have a project table, product ID, employee ID, and product ID is the primary key of this table. Then we have employee table with employee ID, name and experience years. Employee ID is primary key of this table. Let a query that reports the average experience years of all the employees for each project. So here I will use project ID. I will join these two tables on the basis of employee ID. First I am going to join this table. Select project ID, comma, employee ID, comma, experience years. from project table P join employee table E on P dot employee ID equals to P dot employee ID. Now what we are going to do, we are going to put this in the select in the CTE clause with A as this. Now what I need is average experience years. Select for each project. Select project ID, comma, sum of experience years divided by count of employee ID. We need it rounded to 2 digits, so we can write round of this to 2 digits from A group by project ID. Let me run this query. Employee ID field is ambiguous. Okay, so we need to specify this, which employee ID. We can write P dot employee ID. Now it should be accepted, I guess. Wrong answer. What happened? Our output is around, we want 1 to 2.5 average years. Okay, I have to write it as average years. Now it should be giving me correct output, average years. Now it's accepted, I guess. Yes, correct. We got the correct output, average years 2.5, product ID 1 2. We are going to submit this. Accepted. So we have successfully solved another 3 easy level SQL problem, that is customers, actors and directors, product sales analysis 1, and project employees 1. That's all for today's video. In the next video, I'm going to solve from sales analysis 3 problem, which is easy level difficulties, and we have some more questions. You can see we will solve all these problems from LeetCode. First I complete from LeetCode, then I will move to data lemur, and then to Shutterstock, and then I will be posting videos asked in different companies. Thank you, all the best, till your happy learning, and please subscribe my channel. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. Thank you.